Hello, my beautiful friends. Today we're making rejuvenating face masks that help reduce wrinkles, fade dark spots, brighten the skin, and even out your complexion, all using simple ingredients. We'll start with the base for all our masks. Mix 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. With 1 tablespoon of potato starch. This combination hydrates, soothes, and instantly softens the skin. Apply a thin layer of this mixture to your face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat, dry, and moisturize. Use 2 to 3 times a week. This is your base. Now let's add ingredients to target different skin needs. First recipe: gentle exfoliation and glow. Add 1 teaspoon of the base mixture. One teaspoon of oat flour. This mask softly exfoliates, smooths texture, and brings back a natural glow. Apply the mixture to clean skin, face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Pat dry and moisturize. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss recipes that truly work. Second recipe: deep nourishment and spot fading. Take 1 teaspoon of the base. And add 1/2 teaspoon of honey. This blend deeply nourishes the skin, fades dark spots, and improves tone. Apply evenly to your face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Finish with your favorite cream. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, comment below and tell us where you're watching from. Third recipe: antioxidant and brightening boost. Mix 1 teaspoon of the base, 1/2 teaspoon of cocoa powder. This mask boosts circulation, brightens dull skin, and protects against aging. Apply to clean skin, face, and neck. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, then cool. Pat, dry, and moisturize. Use 2 to 3 times a week. If you enjoyed this, like the video, leave a comment, and share it with a friend. Fourth recipe: skin regeneration and glow. Take 1 teaspoon of the base. Add a few drops of castor oil. This rich formula smooths fine lines and supports skin renewal. Apply gently to your face, neck and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Finish with a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe. More powerful beauty rituals are coming soon. Fifth recipe, Vitamin Boost and Recovery. 1 teaspoon of the base mixture. Add a capsule of vitamin A. This mask restores skin elasticity, fades pigmentation, and gives a healthy, youthful glow. Apply to clean skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, then cool. Finish with a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week for visible results. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.